Hello everyone, I am M.A. Ido, your instructor in the use of English. Welcome again to another topic, a very crucial one, referred to as reciprocal pronouns. What do you refer to as reciprocal pronouns? First of all, it is crucial we know the meaning of pronouns. Pronouns are said to be words that are used instead of nouns to avoid repetitions that will be tantamount to clumsiness of the expression. All right. So instead of Shade went home and Shade saw the girl, all right, it is Shade went home and she saw the girl. So that she has been used instead of the repetition of the name Shade, and that's what they call pronoun. All right. Now we have different forms of pronouns, but there are those pronouns that examiners normally dwell on. All right, because there are so many questions that do come out from there. We have a powerful one on the board called the reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns are pronouns that show one-to-one relationship. That means relationship is involved between the persons involved. And they are just two in English. We have each other and one another. Each other is used for just two persons, while one another is used for more than two. For example, the two girls love each other for two, but you cannot have the two girls love one another. It is not possible. Each other is just used for two persons. Shade and Mary love each other, two persons. Not Shade and Mary love one another. That's that. The two girls are fighting each other. They are just two. But one another is used for more than two. All right? Yes. You cannot have the two girls love one another. No. But all the students in the class love one another because they are just more than two. The five students love one another, all right, because they are more than just two. Okay, yes, Mary, Johnson, and Chichidodo love one another because they are free, all right. Yes, then we have this English here, their self. It is very crucial you know this, that there is no such English as their self. It is non-existent. It doesn't, appear in the use of English. All right? Then we have their selves. No English like their selves too. That's why both are marked wrong. All right? Both are marked wrong. All right? Yes. Then we talk about what they call the reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are those pronouns that end in self and selves. They are pronouns that refer back to the subject of the sentence. And when you say the subject of the sentence, it means the doer, the performer of the action, or what you are talking about. All right? If I say he did it himself, he is the subject of the sentence. Himself is only referring back to the subject he. All right? So it's a reflexive pronoun. Any pronoun that ends in self or selves, depending on whether it is singular or plural, is said to be reflexive. All right? She did it herself. She is the subject. Herself is a reflexive pronoun emphasizing further, the girl that did it, which is she. Themselves, all right? Themselves. They did it themselves. Where they is what? The performer of the action, themselves, reflexive pronoun, referring back to the subject they. Again, you should be careful. Don't use themselves in place of a reciprocal pronoun. All right? For example, people do say that they love themselves. All right? That man and the wife love themselves. That means there is no love that exists between them. If you say that no love exists between them, that means the woman loves herself and the man equally loves herself. It's a separate love. There is no relationship. All right? Now, you have himself here. Himself is non-existent in English. There is nothing like himself. He did it himself. There is nothing like that. Rather have he did it himself. And that's the end of the reciprocal pronoun. All right? In our next class, we shall look at a more powerful topic referred to as personal pronouns.